So I woke up this morning, got to work. When I get to work, I actually get a customer that has a power IC issue. The phone is not powering on and it's not charging. So I traced it and I discovered that it's a power IC. So I have to reball it. So I'm making this video just to ask all my fellow engineers which particular stencil, the size, is the right one for power IC. Because that's me trying to check which one is it. This one, is it the other one, is it the other one, which one is the right tools, the right size to use. Because I've been here since morning trying to figure out which one is the right size for it. Please, if you have any idea, drop it on the comment section so I will know. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.